Why does advice only works once and then never again? It's not because the advice is bad, and certainly it's not because you didn't care. It's because advice usually changes attention and not behavior. When you hear advice, it grabs your focus. You feel motivated, you feel clear. But that feeling fades because nothing around you actually changed. It's the same environment, same habits, same defaults. So the advice felt good, but it had nothing supporting it. That's why most advice doesn't fail immediately. It just fades. Not because we ignored it, but because attention isn't a plan. So if advice worked now and then stopped, that's not a personal flaw. It's just how change actually works.